We guide you through how to fix personal hotspot not showing on iPhone. So first, open settings, then tap cellular or mobile data and make sure cellular data is turned on. Next, tap cellular data options and confirm your mobile data is active. Go back and check if personal hotspot appears. If it still doesn't show, go to settings, then general, transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and choose reset network settings. Your iPhone will restart, so you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. If the problem continues, go to settings, general, then software update and install any available iOS updates. You should also verify your carrier supports personal hotspot and that's included in your mobile plan. Since some carriers disable this feature, if needed, remove and reinsert your SIM card or contact your carrier to refresh your account settings.